My lovely friends, I arrived here to Linaw Beach. It's not looking so beautiful because it's low tide, but here are a lot of boats and nobody's here. I'm alone and now I will fly my drone. Tell me in your language, what is the name of the beach?
Linaw Beach.
And actually these girls are working here in this bar, no? There is a bar. Here today in the Christmas day, actually there is nobody here, incredible, no? But they come in the evening time for the sunset, you told me. Official name here in Google Maps is Linaw Beach. I like this ambiental with these hundreds of fisher boats here and excursion boats. Even what I don't understand, we are in high season, but here is nobody. It looks like a camping place here. It's fighting chickens. Hello, chicken. One. Oh, yeah. You are beautiful. And in every of these small houses there is a cock. Yeah. Wonderful. You are beautiful, huh? You are my favorite. You are the winner here. You know, my friends, the idea is also to come to places where there are no tourists coming. I want to show you the Philippines, everything. Not some cozy tourist places. It's not really clean. But there is potential, you know. We'll see it in life. Yes, my friends, this is one of these famous lying coconut trees. It's still alive. It nearly died. Maybe it fell down by a typhoon. And you see, you can ride on it. This is the famous coconut tree ride. We love you so much, my lovely palm trees. What in the hell do they do with all these boats? Yes, these are wildflowers, my friends. And the tricky thing is when you let your shoes somewhere, here they are, my lovely shoes. Thank you for waiting for me. Hello, young coconut tree. Stress-free life. This ambiental here is transmitting me a peace with all these boats and these really tranquil waters. And I'm alone, stranded. Hello, my lovely friend. Are you taking care of the Bohol divers boat? Black dog, white sand. Name of this place?
Linaw Beach Resort.
Linaw Beach Resort. It's really nice. Okay, thank you. Nice place. Really nice place here in Linaw Beach. Dive center. So we are here at this blue point. Yes, folks, believe me or not, this is the way to the beach. Look there! This is my motorbike. Suzuki address. For sale. Yes, folks, that's high season in the Philippines. Because you know, all the people concentrating in one place at the resort next to Deep Blue Dive Center, Dive Resort. Deep Blue Dive Resort. So people told me this is also a kind of boat cemetery. Interesting. I'm wondering if I can get on one of these boats and eat my fruits there. Oh yeah, I'm on the boat. Isn't this wonderful? Lunch on the boat. Here are my fruits. Banana, lanzones, 2 mangoes I found. What a Christmas. Look to this old mangrove tree sitting on a coral bank. This was what I was waiting for, no? Because somebody recommended me to stay until the sunset here. And I was worrying because I was thinking we will not see the sun because of the clouds, but here it is wonderful. The water is also coming up. Yeah, my lovely friends, this was it for today. I say bye bye, Merry Christmas with this beautiful sunset here from the paradise Bohol in the Philippines.